Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. Today I am going to share chatpata papdi chaat recipe from scratch. So let's see how to make this tasty chaat. Ingredients you need are: for making papdi, all-purpose flour 1 cup, rice flour half cup, jeera 1 teaspoon, ajwain 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste and ghee 1 tablespoon. For green chutney, coriander leaves half cup, mint leaves half cup, 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, half lemon juice, salt as per taste. For meaty chutney or sweet chutney, half teaspoon of each coriander powder, dry ginger powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, fennel seeds or saunf, jeera powder, 2 tablespoon of jaggery, 2 tablespoon of dates paste, tamarind water half cup, water 3/4 to 1 cup, salt as per taste. Then you need some curd, save, boiled chopped potato, chopped onion and green chilies, chopped tomatoes. First let's prepare the papdi dough. Take all the ingredients for making the papdi in a bowl and knead it with some water. Cover it and let it rest for some time. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the chutneys. Take all the ingredients for making sweet chutney in a vessel and let it boil. Keep stirring in between. Once it thickens, turn off the flame. Take all the ingredients for making green chutney in a mixie jar and grind it to a smooth paste with some amount of water. So the chutneys are ready. Now let's make the papdi. Knead the dough once again and take a portion and roll it thinly. Using steel glass or a cookie cutter, cut round shapes from the rolled dough. Remove the extra dough. You can use it for making rest of the papdis. Prick the papdis with fork so that it does not puff up while frying. Now deep fry the papdis till it turns golden brown. Now let's assemble the chaat. Take papdis in a plate. Put boiled chopped potatoes. Add curd. For this curd I have added little sugar and whisked it. Then add green chilies and chopped onion, green and sweet chutney, chopped tomato and save. You can sprinkle some chaat masala powder on it. Tasty papdi chaat is ready to serve. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes in the future.